Hello guys, this is the video about room tour Conrad Strip View. Okay, let's see. I'll be here for first time. This is the living area. Hi, how are you guys? Welcome to Vegas. Okay, this is lit closet for everything you need. They didn't give me a rope. Maybe I will find it in my bathroom. We'll see. Okay, no rope. This is the shower with Byredo Cosmetics. Is this real flower? Yeah, it's real. Okay. Body lotion, hand wash. Okay. Also the regular hair dryer. Toilet. Okay. I love this mirror. Okay, this is for the room service. Some snacks, candies, gummies. What this? Okay. And potato chips. Okay. The refrigerator with some fresheners. And something if you want to put something to refrigerator. The king size bed. Lights, it's cute. Magazine, but the main what I paid for is this one. Guys, the third floor strip view of the Vegas. You see? It's unbelievable and oh my godable. You see? It's amazing. The city which never sleep. Incredible. With a lot of lights. This part. This is Vegas at the night time. The city which never sleep. Casinos, shows, fancy restaurants, new hotel of Vegas. So I'll wake up like this. Okay. Like this. Nice. Tell me, do you like it or not? What do you think about this room in Vegas? I think it's nice. It costs about $350 per night. And they also gave some credit. I booked 3 nights and the credit for room service was $200. I I'm shocked. I love it.